Okay, we're gonna start this again, but we're gonna get this here for just a second. Well, new papers. There's zebra print. Do you remember zebra print? Glasses. Necklaces I wear all the time. Since it's Katie Miller on it. For my beloved and favorite cousin. I've dyed my underneath again. I don't know if I'm getting that in the shot, but then I'm in the process of dyeing my bangs deep purple. We're gonna go over here so I can show you newest piercing. Belly button. I've had it since October 6th. Over 2 months. It's healed and looking very pretty. I'm getting belly button rings for Christmas for my grandma. Of course, the one's a dangly Hello Kitty head with the bow. And then another one's a dangly dream catcher, which I really like. And, well, that's really all I wanted to tell you for now. So, I'll upload this, and then when my hair is done, I'll upload that. I look very pale. I know, and I don't like it. But is it just a lighting or what? Yeah. Just give it a little dimple right there. Good little dimple. Right there. Oh, I've never seen this better. But both mirrors open. Of course. Your bra collection, and then back to this one. This is where I take a bunch of my pictures. Most of. Well, bye. For right now.